one piece of key information that you need to know about this community is that it is mixed use with condos and apartments that are located on the premises here. So just wanted to make sure that you're aware of that. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining in. My name is Victor Prasad. I'm a real estate broker associate here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral. And in today's video, we are at the Isle of Porto Vista. So we're going to go ahead and tour a unit here so you can get an idea of what the floor plan looks like. And then also take a look at the overall amenities that are available for us to get into. And then get an overview of the property and see what this place is all about. So let's go. All right, so here we are. We're walking around the Isle of Porto Vista and just kind of want to show you some of the amenities that are here. I'm gonna flip my camera around. All right, so we are here, Isles of Porto Vista. On this side, we have the pool. And then on this side over here, we have a couple cabanas, the playground, and a tennis court on that side. And then I'll be sure to swing by the dog park so you could get a look at that as well. Over on this side here is the clubhouse. The best I could do right now is just shoot what the community rec room looks like because I don't have access all the way in. But there you go. That's what it looks like in there. This will give you a good idea of what the grounds look like. I mean, it's pretty well maintained. You can see some damage from Hurricane Ian, but for the most part, everything is trimmed up pretty well. They have elevators. That's where the elevator is. When you open up this door, either you have to have a key or use the call box downstairs. This unit, and check it out. There we go. So, you come in, living room, dining room, kitchen. This would be a den. Some lights on in here. There we go. Laundry room on this side. Not too bad. Good sized laundry room. Guest bedroom 1. Guest bathroom 1. Not too bad, right? They did a good job remodeling this property. Linen closet. Here we go. Master bedroom and master bathroom. Shower. Good sized closet. Let's see if we can make this make sense. Alright, I'm about a 5'11" dude. See me in here? So, good. So about 5'11" on the walls, on the width, and then the length, not I can touch. So, double stacked closet hanger space, so I guess that helps with more room to pack stuff. Alright. I'm such a big fan of this. Pocket doors I love, but well-working pocket doors are awesome. Because doors get in the way. Really love that feature. Alright. Do a little walk in the kitchen here. Pretty nice. And then we have the balcony, of course, off the back. Some of them will have a preserved view. Some of them will have a preserved view where you see the woods. Other one like a courtyard view, a little bit of landscaping, and then the building right next door. Thank you so much for joining in and taking a look at this video of our tour of Isle of Porto Vista. If you have any questions, drop that in the comment section below. If you found one piece of information helpful, please hit that like button. And if you enjoy this type of content, please smash that subscribe button, click that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the new content that I'm coming out with. And for an additional resource that you have at no additional charge for you, I have the website www.livingincapecoralfl.com. The link will be in the description box below. Feel free to peruse around that website to get familiarized with the area. We have some great resources on the site, and I'm always looking to add to that.